Hey everyone, my name is Data Vicer Nazinswet. So today we're gonna crack Open Excel and learn how to really understand our data. Well, just look at the averages, look how numbers spread, and even how to predict future stuff. It's easier than you think. Trust me. First, let's talk about the central tendencies. About the middle of our data, we got them the mean, which is just your regular average. Just add everything up and divide by how many numbers you have. And there's the median, which is the middle number when you line them up all. And finally, the mode, which is just the number that shows up the most. If you got weird extreme numbers, median is your best friend. If you just want a typical value, go for the mean. And if you want to know what's most common, the mode wins. In Excel, it's super easy. Just average, median, and mode are your friends. So let me show you the requisite values, total, max, minute, range, and then group statistics, mean, median, mode, and variance, and standard deviation, the group data table, the class interval, the analysis toolpath reference from top to bottom, and the group statistics, the descriptive statistics value, and the one that I said, and the prerequisite values, another formula, and the person correlation, the column one and column two, a simple linear regression. Yeah, that's it. We're going to talk about this all, and then let's start. Okay, now we got the middle. We need to know the middle, but how? Spread our numbers. We need to know if they're all bunched together or scattered everywhere. The range is the easiest. Just the biggest number minus the smallest. But that doesn't tell us much. Then we got the variance and the standard deviation. These two. Think about the variance as how far each number is from the average. And the standard deviation is just the square root of that. So it's easier to understand. If the standard deviation is big, the numbers are all over the place. If it's small, they're close together. In Excel, it's equal to max minus minute is equal to var s and is equal to stdev dot s. So let's throw in a chart too. So you can see it visually, the group data table. Now, what if your what if your data isn't in groups, like in a table? You can still figure out the average and the spread we'll use in the middle of each group and how often each group appears. It's a bit more involved, but it's still doable. We'll use the sum product to get the weight average and similar method for the variance and standard deviation. I'll show you how to organize it and make it look good too. For the correl for the correlation, for the correlation is, let's see, if two things are related, like does more study time mean a better grades? That's correlation. If the correlation is close to one, they go up together. So they go up together. for the close to -1. Ones go up and the other ones goes down. Close to 0, they're not related at all. In Excel, it's just a correl and we can make a scatter plot to see the relation visually. Simple linear regression. Finally, let's predict the future. Regression helps us to draw a line through our data points to see the trend. The equation for the line is y is equal to mx plus b, which is the slope, the m. The m is the slope. How much y changes for every change in x. And the b is where the line crosses the y-axis. We can use Excel to add the trend line to our scatter plot and get the equation, or use the linears for the exact number. This let us make the prediction based on the past data. So that's it. We got the basics of central tendencies, depressions, correlation, and regression in Excel. Just practice on your own data and you'll get the hang of it. And so if you like this, just thumb up and share it and subscribe for more Excel tips. Just let me know if you have questions, just comment. So that's all. Thank you. Uli. Kadang. Ay, sibol. Kadang. Cut this. Stop sharing. Stop recording.